So Magic Grabber helps you identify and generate new leads and target them with highly personalized sales emails. The easiest way to explain Magic Grabber is by telling the story of how it was developed and some of the results it's produced. This system here is the OVG4 calibration gas generator. It can be used to generate test standards for calibration of gas sensors and instrumentation. So one of the target markets for the OVG is universities who need to test their own sensors they develop as part of their research. So this makes us ask the question, how do we find high quality leads and how do we get them to pay attention? Now luckily, universities and research groups tend to publish their work, and in doing so they identify both themselves and their interests. I know that people who develop electronic nose sensors have bought OVGs in the past, so I can search for other people who've published in the area to see if they may also be interested as well. So immediately I get a full list of publications. Over on the left hand side here I can see that there's been 9,578 recent publications, and this is great. It shows us that there's a lot of potential here. So if we have a look at one of these, M. Castro, so by reading the title I can see that he may well be interested. Novelinos for the discrimination of volatile organic biomarkets. Now here is the first bit of magic in Magic Grabber. Directly in my browser at the top left here I have a bookmarklet called Magic Grab Lead. When I click this button, Magic Grabber goes in and actually extracts the lead information from the web page and publishes it directly in this form here. So we can see that there's a full range of standard contact information, name, email, the company, and we've also extracted the information about the paper and the journal as well. We'll show why this is useful in just a moment. So when we're happy we can grab the lead and let's see what happens next. So here is the second bit of Magic Grabber. So pages come up here. What's actually happened behind the scenes is that Magic Grabber has automatically sent the new lead a totally customized email populated with the information that we've already extracted. The key here is the relevance of our offering to their interests, and this comes through in the email. So if you look at the first line, Dear Michael, I saw your paper, Novelinos for the discrimination of volatile organic biomarkers, etc., etc. So we immediately capture their attention. Down at the bottom here, we're even able to customize the call to action with the name of the university, for Michael in this case. So I can go back and rinse and repeat with the other massive group of leads that we identified before. Now finding new leads is great, but the engagement from the personalization of the emails is the thing that's actually amazing. So for this particular email template, we've measured an open rate of 49.8% and a click-through rate of 32.2%. So if you compare this to the last mail blast you sent, you'll probably see that there's quite a bit of difference. So if you want to generate more leads of higher quality, why don't you have a go with Magic Grabber?